Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna fix the headlights of this old Chrysler Grand Voyager or Town & Country. I'm planning to sell this one as soon as possible, so I just gotta make sure everything runs on the car. For example, the AC, that it works, that it goes through the inspection, that the suspension is alright, and that the engine runs as it should. But before we begin, you who are new to this channel, I welcome you, and I hope you find this YouTube videos exciting and fun, and that you are also learning something from it. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and please just comment anything, a high five or say hi or whatever. So now we're gonna roll the intro, and then we're gonna jump right into restoring these headlights. This is the worst headlight I have ever seen in my short car mechanic life. It got some, like, I don't know, mold or just debris from the forest or something, I don't know. And you can see that it's a lot of haze, it's yellow, and I can barely see the bulbs inside the headlight. And hopefully after this restoration we can get some more light out of the headlight so we can see when it's dark, and we can actually see what bulbs it is inside. And for this job I will use MEGUIARS headlight restoration kit that I actually got from my uncle. He tried it, he wasn't very satisfied with it, so he just, yeah, you can have it. It was worthless. And I've seen this before, and like on YouTube, and I think they look very good as a restoration kit, so why not? I got everything in the kit, so I will just go through what it is included, and then we can go on with this restoration. First of all, we got a sanding disc with two different sandpapers, 1000 grit and 3000 grit. And then you get a buff pad that you can attach to your drill. That's very convenient, so you can just get some more speed with the drill if you don't have a polishing machine. You get the clear plastic cleaner and polish. We get some protectant headlight coating that you put on afterwards. And you will do that with just a sponge. Anything else? No, nothing else. I'm just gonna show you some close-up footage of the headlight so you can actually see how bad it is before we begin, and then we will do a after restoration picture so you can see how good they turned out. Okay, close-up picture, here we go. Before we begin, I'm gonna clean it off first with just some normal glass cleaner, so we can get rid of some dirt and debris that is building up for a couple of years now. And then we're just gonna mask everything off. I will not be too picky about this, just make sure it's sort of covered up. If that makes your car, of course, be more precise with the masking, so you don't scratch your bodywork or your body. Voila, there we go. So now it's sort of clean. We've masked it off and we can start sanding with the 1000 grit sandpaper. The description says that you should do one way with this one, and then when you go with other sanding paper, you do it on the other way. But I go like, first I go with this one, this direction, and then when I feel satisfied, I go up and down, like a cross pattern. I don't know what is the most efficient and correct way to do it. I don't care. I will do it like this. You can do it as you like. Okay, I've now been cleaning for a couple of minutes. I don't know exactly, but maybe 5 minutes with the 1000 grit sandpaper. I see that the light is getting more clear, not as yellow as before, but now you can see that there's still a haze, and it should be because we have sanded it down with sandpaper. So we are not having a nice finish to it yet. So we're just drying it off a bit. Now we're continuing with the 3000 grit sandpaper. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Headphones on and keep on sanding. There we go, another, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes of sanding with the 3000 grit paper, and we will just wipe the headlight off once more. I can see the bulbs now. Very nice. I've been like so anxious to restore these headlights because they were so in bad shape, and every time I see this car, it's like just a pair of yellow headlights. It looks disgusting and not the look that I want. So it feels good. Okay, next step is polish. So as I said, we're gonna use this Plast X that is included in the kit, and I will use my, I don't know what it's called. Is it called polish machine? I bought one a couple of years ago and I haven't been using it very much, so but this will be good use of it, so I'll just bring it and I can start polishing. There we go. I choose a pad that is similar to the one that is included. Mine is red, this is yellow, and on the description it says you should put on like a click like this in the middle of the pad, but I will, since I have a bigger pad than the other one, I will just do some clicks on this one, and then you can just turn it down a bit so it starts a bit slow, squeeze it out. There you go. And now we can start. Okay, we are done with the polishing. I added some extra polish compound. I don't know, polish. I added some extra polish after a while to just make sure everything was polished as it should be. And you can see it's getting a lot of clearer. Looking great. Wow, what a difference. I got some like damage to the headlight from the inside of the plastic. Maybe you can undo the glass and like try to polish the inside, but I will not do it as for now. Okay, so now you are supposed to clean it off with some glass cleaner again, and then wipe it off so it's clean and dry again. And the last step in this restoration is to add the headlight coating that's also included in the package from MEGUIARS, and you will use this sponge to do so. So I'll just add some to it. Don't think you need so much, and then you will just go wipe it down. And it's like a there we go. I think we'll just leave it as it is. Let it dry. Okay, I will redo that one. Seems like you got to have quite a lot of protective coating, so it actually floats out and doesn't create stripes. There we go. That's better. So now we will let it dry and cure. Now we'll just remove the tape, masking tape. Whoop, whoop. That turned out very, very good. I'm actually a bit amazed how I can see that bulb, the extra headlight, and another like LED bulb in there. It's, as I said, it's some damage to it from the inside that I won't do anything about for now. But like all the yellowness and the bad stains and everything is gone. Almost look like brand new, or at least second-hand good ones. I haven't tried any other brand, so for me this was very good. I would give it a 9 out of 10, I guess. I can absolutely recommend MEGUIARS headlight restoration kit. I don't know what it cost. I would guess around 300, 400, 500 Swedish kronor, I guess. I saw that Turtle Wax has some for around 200 or 300 that I was supposed to try, but as I was given this for free, I tried it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to restore your headlight, you can definitely choose MEGUIARS Headlight Restoration Kit. Okay, thank you for now. Please subscribe, give a comment. thumbs up, you know what to do, and I will proceed working on this car before I start my next exciting project that I will also share with you on YouTube. So stay tuned, and I see you on my next episode. Ciao! Looked good. See you next time. Ciao.